Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by stopping the emulator and taking direct control. This cuts background noise. First, update the emulator and SDK tools so you avoid old bugs. Then, disable snapshots and increase RAM to 24 GB because frozen states often stem from low memory. Once done, wipe the AVD cache and restart the host to free resources. These steps address the most common causes quickly, and they set a stable baseline for deeper fixes if freezing persists. Next, you perform the heavier lifts. Wipe AVD data and force a cold boot because quick boot can preserve corrupt state. Then, toggle graphics between software and host GPU to isolate driver issues. Some freezes appear GPU-related. While reproducing the freeze, run a dblogcat and emulator verbose to capture errors and timestamps so you can correlate events. If needed, adjust the emulator engine, increase the VM heap, and retest. These actions reveal root causes and often resolve recurring stalls. Finally, you restore a clean environment. Recreate the AVD with the desired system image and ABI rather than repairing the old one, because fresh instances avoid hidden corruption. Make sure host GPU drivers and the hypervisor are current, and reinstall the emulator system image if needed. Test the app on the new AVD and compare behavior. If it still freezes, one key troubleshooting tip: capture a full log and freeze timestamp, then reproduce in safe mode or with minimal services. This isolates conflicting processes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.